If you're looking to grow your online business or your affiliate business using Facebook and using organic or free strategies, then you're going to want to listen up and check out what I have for you today. I'm excited to tell you about a new tool that's going to blow the competition out of the water with the amount of features that will take your business to the next level. And I'm also going to show you how you can get it at a totally bonkers price. So make sure you hang around to the end. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Now, on today's video, I'm going to reveal the new tool that I'm using in my business to generate new leads for free and totally explode my business, and you can too. No matter what type of online business you have, whether it's affiliate marketing, network marketing, or a digital agency, social media is a key part of attracting people or leads into your business. You want to use social media to start conversations with potential leads, right? So this tool will help you attract your ideal customer, and it does most of the work automatically. So what is this tool, you ask? Well, it's called the Social Sales Accelerator. Pretty appropriate name, hey? Social Sales Accelerator is effectively an automated CRM or customer relationship management tool for Facebook and Messenger that enables you to use the organic strategies I spoke about in the video you can watch by clicking on the link up there. These organic strategies can be implemented in a far more timely and effective manner with a tool that automates the majority of the work for you. And when you compare the Social Sales Accelerator price with the competition, you'll see that it's just plain bonkers. But I'll talk more about that later. So let's take a look at some of the core functionality of the Social Sales Accelerator so you can judge for yourself why this is the best organic marketing tool on the market today. So first up, the feature I want to point out is the fact that SSA is a simple Chrome extension, so it's simple to install. If you've ever used tools like Evernote or Loom, then you'll be familiar with the whole extension thing. Simple to install and get up and running in a flash. Okay, so now we're going to get stuck into the awesome features, and I'm starting with the friend request capability. This is a real game changer. One of the things in other similar tools that I didn't like was that you could automate your friend requests to people you were targeting, but you couldn't send a message at the same time. So people got these random requests from you, which made it very hit and miss and a little creepy at times. With SSA, you can automate the friend request and at the same time send them a message introducing yourself and explaining why you are friend requesting them. And you can personalize the message with their name as well. So this is a great change that will make a massive difference to the number of people that actually accept your request and you can get into a conversation with. The other part of the friend request that is also a massive upgrade on the competition is when someone sends you a request, you can also have an automated message that goes back to them before you accept the request. This allows you to separate the genuine requests from the bots and other randoms. If someone requests you and then doesn't respond to your message, you can just ignore the request and move on. If they do respond, you can then decide if they're a good fit for you and your business and accept or not. And this is a feature that I'm really enjoying using, and it's making a massive difference to how I manage my friend requests. The next feature is also really awesome. It's the tagging feature. If you're using Messenger to connect with leads and get conversations started, then the tagging feature is a big winner. Effectively, you can add as many tags as you like to help you segment your leads in Messenger. You can use tags to identify where you found the lead, that is which group they were from, or you can use tags to identify where they are in your process, or you can use tags to batch people by the type of message you want to send them. There are no limits to the type and number of tags you use. It just comes down to how you want to be able to organize and recognize your leads in Messenger. And I'll explain another reason why this is helpful shortly. Next up, the canned messages feature, and this is another time saver. If you're using Messenger regularly, you probably find yourself typing the same message a lot. With canned messages, you can set up a bunch of typical responses and with one click, add them to a conversation without having to type the whole response each time. This feature also means you can set up messages with your links to pages or groups that you want to send people to. You can also set up your sales funnel messages so that you're consistent with your message and you follow your sales process in a consistent manner. This is a great feature for network marketers or affiliate marketers. And as I mentioned before, each message can be added to a conversation with one click of a button. And you can also set up canned messages in different categories. So you could have multiple welcome messages or multiple discovery messages, then a number of sales messages, and so on. Again, there's no limit to how you segment your canned messages and how many you have in each segment. And another great feature is you can share these messages with your team if you have them set up on SSA as well. A truly awesome time saver. And talking about teams, if you have team members that you share Messenger with, you can then set them up on SSA and you will all have access to the canned messages and the features to ensure a consistent workflow and messages going out from your business. This will also be a big time saver for those people who need to have their team members involved in managing all of their Messenger conversations. The next feature is called Comment Blaster. This feature works in Facebook rather than Messenger. So if you've posted a conversation starter in your profile and get lots of comments, maybe you suggested that people comment to get access to something, a freebie maybe. With Comment Blaster, you can automate the process of liking each comment and responding with a standard comment that contains the link to get the freebie. Think about the time this will save you. If you get 20, 50 or 100 comments and in the past had to spend the time responding to each one individually with the same content, it would take you hours. Now, with Comment Blaster, you can set up the message and automate the process of responding. Think about the power of that right there. It's incredible, right? Now, I mentioned earlier there was another benefit to tagging. Well, that's this next feature, which is bulk messages. With bulk messages, you can select people who have a particular tag and send them a specific message. So if you have a new launch of a product or a special promotion, you can send a message to people that you tagged who might be interested. The beauty of this feature is that you get to be very specific with who gets the message, and you can personalize it like all the other messages, and you can set up a sequence of canned messages for people who respond. The applications of this feature are endless and very similar to having an email autoresponder sequence in Messenger. It's just awesome, right? Now, the next one is the reminder feature, and this is another great addition to SSA. This is a simple feature that you can set reminders for people that you want to message based on maybe a prior conversation. So maybe someone said in a conversation that they would be open to hearing about your offer at a later date. So you set up the reminder, and at the appropriate time you get a notification to remind you to make that follow-up. The reminder feature uses Google Calendar, so the reminder is going to pop up in the top right of your screen. And then next up is group growth, which at the time of filming is a feature that's yet to be released. But when it's available, it will be a massive bonus to help you grow your group, as the name suggests, of course. This feature will enable you to automate the process of getting people into your group and approved. And as an affiliate marketer, and maybe even network marketers, getting people into your group is a key business growth driver. Your group is where you're doing more work to nurture your leads and make sales pitches to them. So it's a great new feature. And the newest feature, which has just been added, is a nice to have one. As you grow your friends list, you're going to get more and more notifications of people's birthdays. The happy birthday feature enables you to set up an automated message that can be personalized, of course, and send it to all your new friends who have birthdays. Again, saving you the time each day to create individual messages for all your new friends. Awesome, hey? Okay, so that's an overview of the features of SSA, and I'm fairly confident that you're excited about everything that SSA does and how you can use it in your business to grow, and not just grow, but explode your business. It's working for me, and I'm certain you can benefit from using it as well, especially if you're an affiliate marketer or a network marketer. So the obvious question is, how much does it cost? And this is where it gets totally bonkers. There are competitors to SSA, you may already be using one, that cost as much as $297 per month and don't have anywhere near the features of the Social Sales Accelerator. Now, I've been privileged to be a beta tester of SSA, and as a result, I've been given the opportunity to offer SSA at a ridiculously low launch price. If you take advantage of this offer price, which won't be available for long, you have two options. You can pay a monthly subscription and get access to SSA for one profile page and one group and pay just $34.99 per month. There are some upsells you can access that will blow you away and are just an amazing addition to your business, including already created canned messages and Closer Pro, which is a complete sales training for Messenger. Now, the second option, which to me is just a no-brainer, is you can pay for SSA on an annual basis and get access to SSA on 3 pages and 3 groups, get priority support and VA access, and it works out at just $29.99 per month. That's a tenth of the price of the competition for a heap more features and accounts. So if you're looking to explode your business with organic marketing strategies, SSA is a tool that I highly recommend. You can get access to the incredible pricing using the link in the description. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and showed you why a tool like SSA can explode your business. So let's do a quick recap of all the features that you're going to get with SSA. It's a Chrome extension first up. Second, you get automated friend requests and responses. You get the tagging to segment your list, canned messages by segments or process, add your team members for more time saving, comment blaster to automate post responses, bulk messages to segments of your Messenger contacts, reminders for follow-ups, group growth to explode your group membership, the happy birthday automated messages, and the incredible pricing. Now, if you want to get access, click the link in the description and you'll get access to the newest and best Facebook and Messenger tool to explode your business today. Thanks for watching today's review of Social Sales Accelerator, which, as I mentioned, you can access by clicking the link in the description. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. And do me a favor, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to everyone. And don't forget, to get started building your organic Facebook strategy, click the link in the description to access the Social Sales Accelerator, and let's explode your business today.